In this video, we're going to discuss tray settings. Now that we have our printers selected and our models loaded onto the tray, we're going to set up printer materials and the print mode. To do this, we're going to go to the Tray Settings tab, and you'll see these are the current materials I have loaded and the current print modes that are available to me based on my loaded materials. Let's start by changing the materials we currently have loaded. Go ahead and click Change. That will bring up our materials page. If you have a network-connected printer, you can click the Get Printers Loaded Material, and your materials will be automatically loaded to match what's in your current active printer. In this case, I'm just going to remove all and manually choose from the menu of all available materials with this particular J850. I'm going to hold Control to select multiple materials at once. I'm going to load in Agilis 30 Clear and White, Vero Clear, Cyan Vivid, Magenta Vivid, Yellow Vivid, and my Rigid Ultra White, and hit Add Selected. This brings all of the materials into my active tray materials. I can also control the support material being used, either in this case 705 or 706. Once happy, I hit Save, and my materials have updated in the tray settings. Again, based on what I have loaded, I can choose either the print mode of High Quality, which can be printed with 7 materials, or High Mix, which is also printed with 7 materials. You'll notice that High Speed and Super High Speed are both grayed out. This is because High Speed requires that you have 3 materials loaded, and Super High Speed only allows for 1. To get these active, we'll change again, and this time I'm going to remove both my Agilis, my Clear, and my Ultra White. Remove those. I'm left with 3 materials. I hit Save. You'll notice that because I took white out of my materials, all my tray models have changed to an available material. And the print mode has defaulted to High Speed, the only available with 3 materials. And again, to get Super High Speed, we'll go to Change one more time. I'm going to remove all 3 materials. And the most common material used with Super High Speed is the Draft Gray. Load that one, hit Save, and my models have changed, and so has the print mode.